Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is about being healthy, vegan-wise, health-wise, mind, body, and soul. If you like what you see, please hit that bell, subscribe, and like. Thank you. So I'm back. We're gonna make sea moss today. We have a food processor. You could use a blender, some water, and a mason jar to put it in. And then this is a sea moss that I bought from my local Caribbean store. I washed it and strained it. And we're gonna just put it in our food processor. And add our water, and I'll let you see the ending results. Thank you. So I end up using the Ninja, and this is the ending product. Don't use a food processor. I made big mistake saying that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.